Have you heard of people eating a cinnamon roll with their chili? Well, I guess it's quite a popular thing in the Midwest, especially like in Nebraska and Iowa. It's something I've never tried before, and it definitely interests me. But I thought I'd try it in a casserole form. So let's try this cinnamon roll chili casserole. Let's go! Grab some cinnamon rolls and place them in a prepared baking dish. I'm going to start baking these at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And now it's time you need some chili. You could either make your own, or I'm just going to use a couple types of canned chili. Whichever you do, make sure you add a little cinnamon. Let's add that chili on top, as well as some cheddar cheese. And we'll cook it an additional 5 minutes to allow that cheese to melt. Here we go. Let's finish with a drizzle of hot honey. Cinnamon roll and chili casserole. This is exciting. I love that sweetness in there. It's really cool. It's definitely comforting, and it feels like the perfect thing to eat on a nice winter day. So it's perfect for right now. I think I'd give this casserole a 7.8 out of 10. Why did the toilet paper roll down the hill? To get to the bottom.